Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another update. So, as you can see, I'm already done trading for the day. 1390 on the day. Still a lot of trades. I'm not happy about that. And I'm trying to cut down. I mean, it was definitely a lot less than yesterday just because I was trading in the morning session and, moves are a lot easier to follow. But still not happy with the amount of trades that I did. Happy it worked out again, but I'm not going to be getting this lucky all the time. So, end goal for me, I want to be able to make solid trade plans and follow them. And I guess a lot of this in the morning was a little difficult for me to trade. I did have this triangle here that we were forming from, past couple of days. So we've been descending here in the overnight session as well. And I was thinking, well, overnight session, if we, bounce up from here, we're probably going to go back and test, open and control. But right when the market opened, we sold off from it. I got chopped up here quite a lot, and I mean, looking at it, yes, it's an uptrend, but this chop was pretty difficult for me to trade. Did have a really good trade in here. I believe I held this, somewhere around here to down here, but I know for some reason I could not sell it, and it just has to probably do with how this was grinding up. So pretty unhappy with that trade. But this trade was probably the one that did it for me today. Basically took out my losses and brought me to 1390 on the day. It was part of this trade plan that I was looking at, this triangle that we formed, and then we went up. We were gonna test it. We tested it. We broke out. However, looking at Delta here, as you can see, we had a nice high on Delta here. This candle we sold off tremendously, and then we had a sharp reversal upwards, but the Delta did not follow with it. And with that, I went short up here, which was a really good entry. I sold it down here, and really happy with that trade. We went from red on the day to green, and that's where I got my 1390. And again, I think having trade plans like this definitely help. And I want to be able to maybe do like 5 trades a day where they're solid trade plans, and I know where my risk is, and I know where the market should bounce, and all that stuff. So that's the end goal, guys. Still trying to beat the bad habits out of me, but still happy with 1390 on the day. Obviously this could have continued upwards, but sometimes the market gives you opportunities that you have to take, and I was happy I took it, and I was really happy it worked out in my favor. Obviously if I just held it, we would be really green. But at this point, I was just happy to get out with 1390. So yeah, done trading for the day. Just wanted to point out that if we look at the TPO chart, big indicator for me to look for shorts today was the fact that we made a lower low yesterday and a lower high. Point of control was still higher than the previous day, but this is kind of a, hey, we're looking like we want to pull back, or at least consolidate after all this movement to the upside. Wow, yes, it's just getting slapped here. But looking at this, we have a nice distribution here with people, and these tails here, we have another distribution. So we have some people trapped up here. I would assume we come back and close this point of control eventually. Don't know if it's going to happen right away. But speaking on that, look at all of these naked point of controls below us. Like this, I've been keeping my eye on. Like, as you can see, in normal healthy market, as we go up, we should be taking out, basically retesting point of controls. So, we're taking this out. We've tested that. This one did not get tested. This one did not. And we keep on going up with a bunch of point of controls that don't get tested. Obviously, we don't have to come back and retest these, but it's just something for you to take note of. We do have one above us now that will need to be tested eventually. So that might be another indication that, we might have another pop up, maybe Friday, but I'll try to record on Friday. I'll try to. I'm not always the best at getting it set up in time, but this morning I just kind of wanted to trade by myself, and just coming back from yesterday, just trying to get the right mindset. Obviously, it did not work out as I wanted it to, but hopefully tomorrow, it's Friday, I'm gonna try to trade light, really stick to my max loss limit of 900, and really stick to my trade plan and try to establish a good trade plan. So that's gonna be the plan for tomorrow. Hopefully you guys had a profitable day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.